Oh, hello.
Yes, Kari. Okay, so here, Kari, we will continue the 10 minutes. Okay, so look up here, Kari. Can you see a journey in space? Okay, so our topic is about journey in space. You can see in here different, okay, words about space like astronaut, planet. We have astronaut, rocket, and planet. Okay.
Astronaut.
Rocket.
Planet.
Okay. Now we have a astronaut, rocket, and planet. Okay, so we have here the jump.
Jump.
Okay, jump is, can you read? To move, please read. It means, what do you mean by jump? When you say the word jump, what is jump?
Jump. Uh,
Jump means to move quickly off the ground or away from a surface by pushing yourself with your legs and feet. That's jump. Okay. Fix. What is this?
Fix.
Fix. It means to repair or you have to correct something. You have to fix. Okay, next.
Fix.
Next is
Repair.
repair. Okay, the same. Fix and repair, the same. Kari, remember, fix and repair, they are the same. Okay, next one. Okay,
Large.
large. It means big
large.
in size or quantity. They are big. Okay, big in size or quantity. Next,
Deep.
deep. Having a large distance from the top. Having a large distance from the top. That's deep. Next is
Golf.
golfed. Golfed.
Go.
Okay. Golf, it means
Game
okay,
play.
a game. Again,
Game play over a light or off round using sticks with a special shape to hit a sport ball into a series of 9 or 18 holes.
okay, very good. Okay, so it's a game played over large area in the ground. Okay, there is a special shape to hit a small hard ball into series of 9 or 18 holes. So there are 9 or 18 holes. How about round?
Ground.
It is
Round. The show
yeah,
the show surface of the earth.
the surface of the earth. Okay, very good. Okay. Now, look at this ground. It means surface of the earth. Now, complete the sentences with words from the box. Okay. Can you answer this? Please try to look at your answer here. Or you can find the answer. Choose the answer here.
It's right.
Yeah, you write in the chat box. Can you tell me if you're done, ha?
I don't know.
Okay. Two of the astronauts are playing near the strange tree. Okay, two of the astronauts are playing near the strange tree. What is the answer? What do you think is the answer? Are playing? The answer is golf. Playing golf near the strange tree. Okay, number three. I will read and you answer. The rocket has got small blank windows. What is the answer? The rocket has got a small blank windows.
Slowly, I know.
Okay. It has small round windows.
Round.
Okay. Next, the block is fixing the computer screen inside the rocket. The block is fixing, okay, the computer screen inside the rocket. Okay, what is the answer?
The,
Okay, what is the answer? Who fixed the computer? The robot. Look at the robot. Fix the
robot.
computer. Okay, five. One of the planets is longer than the other two. One of the planets is longer than the other two.
Round. No. Round.
Okay, it's larger. Look at the planet. This orange planet is larger than the two planets. Okay, next. Okay, the trees have got leaves that look like the hands. Okay, look like the blank of the hands. What is the answer? The trees have got leaves that look like the hands.
Uh, Round. Ground.
Okay, now it looks like the open hands. Okay, the blank under the rocket looks a bit like sand. The blank under the rocket looks a bit like sand. The block under the rocket looks like a bit like sand. What is this? What is under the rocket? It is the go. You can do it, Carrie.
Chưa.
Okay, the block is the ground under the rocket looks like a sand. Okay, it's look like a sand here. Okay, next one. You listen and write the names. Oh, you write the names, huh? Listen and write the names of the aliens. Okay, you write the names of the aliens. Ready?
12B. A journey into space.
Can you see the robot in this picture? You can? Good. The robot's name is Zenith. You spell that Z-E-N-I-F.
N-I-F.
Now look at the
Zenith.
3 astronauts. The one in the middle is behind the net. His name's Yabachi. I'll spell that for you. It's Y-E-B-A-R-C-H-I. The astronaut that's jumping out of the rocket has a really unusual name too. He's called Paviol. That's P-A-V-I-O-L. Can you see the 3rd astronaut? She's at the front of the picture. Look, she's playing badminton too. Her name's Glustida. Write her name now. You spell it G-L-U-S-T-I-D-A.
Okay. Do you know that?
Okay.
Oh, again, lesson again.
Okay.
Okay. The first name is Zenith.
12B. A journey into space.
Can you see the robot in this picture? You can? Good. The robot's name is Zenith. You spell that Z-E-N-I-F. Now look at the 3 astronauts. The one in the middle is behind the net. His name's Yabachi. I'll spell that for you. It's Y-E-B-A-R-C-H-I. The astronaut that's jumping out of the rocket has a really unusual name too. He's called Paviol. That's P-A-V-I-O-L. Can you see the 3rd astronaut? She's at the front of the picture. Look, she's playing badminton too. Her name's Glustida. Write her name now. You spell it G-L-U-S-T-I-D-A.
I write now.
Okay, yeah. What is that? You can write here if you want to write the 3.
Right from left to right or
Yeah.
right to left.
Okay, you can write in the chat box the 3 astronauts. What are their names?
Left to right.
Hmm?
Right
Okay.
for left to right or
Yeah, yeah.
right to left?
Right. Here. You start here first. Wait. Start
Okay.
here. 1, 2, and 3. How many? 4? I forgot it's 4.
Okay. Okay. And finish.
Okay, let me see the name. Oh, wow. Let me see if you're very good in spelling. Okay, one is, wait, Glosteda. Let me see the spelling. Zineb, Kirbatsi. Very good. Pabiol and Glostida. Mate. Glostida, correct. Pabiol. Wow, very good in spelling. Very good, Kari. Great job, Kari. You did it well, the spelling. So it means you listen carefully. Yay, great job. Okay. So here, look at the picture, Carrie. So you can see 2 pictures, right? Okay, we have A and picture B. A and B. Please tell me the difference.
Now you say all right.
No, you say, you talk, you speak, do not write.
Okay. Cùng hả? Cút coi. B has a spaceship.
Okay.
Uh, B has notion. B has notion.
Okay, B has,
Notion.
B has again.
B
Look at,
has
B has no,
notion.
what is notion? No rocket. Okay, another thing, what else? Please look at check. Check.
Okay. B has no rock.
Oh, no rock. Oh, there's no rock in letter B. Okay. No, what's this? Planets. Okay, another, what else?
B gì cầu lông rồi đấy sao? Badminton. B has badminton.
Okay, has badminton.
À, uh, sharp version is B. a happy.
Okay, happy. Okay, this one. Okay. What else? How about the tree?
Uh, the leaf of photo B are yellow.
Okay. The door is yellow. Okay. No. The, what again, please. Carry again, carry.
Quỳ nói giao tiếp giỏi chứ thấy mình dịch nhưng mà học tiếng Anh như này đâu mà học á, chứ mà học tiếng Anh mà sáng biết được muốn biết đó học tiếng Anh.
Yellow leaves.
Oh, the yellow leaves. Okay, there is a yellow leaves. Okay, let us check this one. This is my teacher's pictures and this is student's pictures. Okay, so you can see in here, very good. We can see changes. 1, 2, 3. There are 3. And here in B, the astronaut is playing badminton. Here, they're not playing badminton, they're playing golf. Here, okay. Here, the robot is, the astronaut is happy. The astronaut is sad. Okay. The astronaut is fixing the computer here, repair the computer. Here, the astronaut is cooking. The robot is cooking, right?
Yep.
And then we have 3 planets. 1, 2, 3. Here, how many planets do we have in B? How many?
1, 2, 3.
Here. This one. Letter B, how many planets? We only have 1.
1, 2.
1 planet. Here, how many planets? We have 3 planets. Okay, we have 3 planets. Okay, in letter A and B, can you see there is a rocket? Where is the rocket? The rocket is in the letter B. Oh, the rocket is there. Okay, Karin? Okay. So, Kari, teacher and is here. So, we don't have enough time because teacher has another class. Okay? I will see you tomorrow. Okay? I will try to ask your father if we can have class tomorrow at night time. Okay? Yes. Okay. So thank you, Kari, for today. Bye-bye, Kari. I hope I can
Bye-bye.
see your face tomorrow. Open the video tomorrow, okay?
Dạ.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Miss.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye tôi.
Good
Bye
night. Good night.
Bye-bye, Miss.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Good night.